Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Lauren. I'm coming to you from the future right now because I just finished filming this makeup look. I was running errands earlier today and I'm gonna go meet my friend for lunch, so I wanted a little bit more oomph and a little bit more glam. I'm also very excited because I am collaborating with Coach on this video. Heart be still. I will be showing you my new Coach Tabby Messenger 19 and how I'm going to style it for lunch today. Spoiler, it is gorgeous. You are going to lose your mind once I go into depth about how functional and how cute this bag is. Stunning. I did use it earlier when I was running some errands, so I will insert some clips too of how I styled it. So before I keep rambling, because I'm very excited, let's just get on with it and I'll show you how I did this look. As I mentioned earlier, I was just running some errands, so all I have on are eyebrows, lashes, and some concealer under my eye, but I'm pretty bare. I did have to put my cute little Tabby Messenger 19 behind me because she's the star of the show, truly. So we're gonna start with some eyeliner because I definitely need that to glam up a little bit. If you've been watching my channel for a while now, you know that as I've gotten older, I've really come into my own and I've developed my own style. I would say my 20s were definitely more about experimenting. So I was trying out a whole bunch of different trends, but I never really had what I would say is my own style. I was just really wearing what was popular, and I definitely have some really cringe-worthy moments I wish I could erase from my memory. Now that I've matured, I feel like I really have developed my own sense of style. I know what works with my body, I know what makes me feel confident. The same with handbags. I've mentioned this in the past, but I am gravitating towards more leather handbags in classic, timeless silhouettes. Ones that I can wear for years to come and I can wear with different outfits. So whether I am wearing a casual streetwear vibe or if I'm going to glam up and go out for a night on the town. And this is where Coach comes in. As a brand, they have such a rich, distinct heritage. They started out in New York in 1941, and since then they've really been perfecting their craft, especially when it comes to leather goods. In the past few years, the tabby style has become so popular, especially the pillow tabby. It went viral. I have the pillow tabby 18 in that beautiful lilac ice, and I love it. The leather is like butter. The craftsmanship is amazing. I've had no quality issues. I just can't wait to use it more in the warmer months. But if the pillow version isn't really your jam, they have so many other tabby styles to choose from. So they have the soft shoulder bag, they have the clutch, they have the wristlet, they have this new cute messenger style, they have the new jelly style, which is adorable. It just brings me back to my childhood. There's really a tabby for everyone, and that's what makes the style and Coach so iconic. Almost done. I did the wing liner, the cream contour, I did a cream bronzer, and we're gonna do a little bit of a blush. I will leave everything down below so you can see all the items that I'm using. It's hard for me to talk and also do this at the same time. I'm not really used to doing a lot of get readies with me. Finishing touch, I just need a little bit of color on my lips. Perfect. And now I am going to show you my Tabby Messenger 19 up close and how I am planning on styling it. I want to show you how stunning this handbag is up close and then go over some of the interior features because there are a lot of pockets in this handbag, which is perfect because it is a mini bag. Like I mentioned, this is the Tabby Messenger in the size 19. I have mine in the yellow gold color, and it has this amazing, if I open it up, gunmetal hardware, which is the exact same as my pillow tabby, which is that lilac color, and then it is made with a genuine glove tan leather, so similar to baseball gloves. It's buttery soft, it is durable, and with time it only gets better, which is amazing. You have the signature iconic C right there, and then you have a push lock closure which opens up. On the inside here, you do have a pocket with a button, which is perfect. And then the inside here, you have another pocket, which also has a snap closure, so you can keep everything organized. The back has another pocket. So being a small handbag, having all these pockets is amazing because it just keeps you organized, and then you can keep your essentials in different areas. And then I also want to mention that it has an adjustable strap. The strap is wider, as you can kind of see, so it's really comfortable to wear all day. So here's my outfit for brunch. I just threw on a little sweater tank, and then I have on this sort of black oversized blazer, a pair of baggy jeans, a pair of sneakers, and of course, my Tabby Messenger 19. I just love how it adds this pop of color to sort of a very neutral outfit, but I feel like it's not too bright to the point where it's really hard to match. I just think it pulls together this outfit. I just love it, and I can't wait to show my friend my new bag. Okay, and then here's the outfit that I was wearing this morning when I was running errands. So I just have on a hoodie, a pair of sweats, some sneakers, and then I put this oversized leather jacket on, and I feel like this handbag goes so well with this leather jacket. It just kind of adds that edgy sort of factor to it too. I think it's because of the darker hardware. It just goes so well. But I love this look. I just feel like this handbag is so versatile. So you can really dress it up, or you can wear it really casual too. I will link the Coach Tabby Messenger 19 in the description box down below so you can get your hands on one. Thank you so much to Coach for this amazing opportunity. I am so appreciative and so grateful to be able to work with them, and I am so thankful for all of you for your continued support with my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.